Hello everyone, welcome to Nidja Educations. Hope you all are fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon. Dear students, today we are going to know about Standard 3rd, chapter number 3, that is continents and oceans. What are the continents and what are the oceans? Let me see here. So, if we see the world map, here I will show you the world map. That is, if you see this world map, you can see a largest water body on it and also the large land masses of land we can see over here. For the dark color, blue color, brown color, if we see that it is the, you can see in the map the largest blue color area, it indicated the water bodies, that is oceans and seas, and the brownish area, dark area of large land masses, it is called the continents, right? So let me learn more about this continent and oceans, right? So first, have you see that the water bodies are present in our earth? We all know that it is the 1/4 part of the earth covered by the water only. Is it all the water is safe to drink and use for our daily work? No. It all waters that are covered by the almost 75% of water is salty water, and it's contained from the oceans and sea, and this is not fit for drinking or bathing or any daily purpose, right? So let me know how many oceans we have and how many seas and other water bodies we have contained in on our earth, right? Now, what is the continent? Continents are the large land masses. लार्ज लैंड मासेस मतलब क्या हुआ? बड़े से ज़मीन के टुकड़े, छोटे नहीं लेकिन बहुत बड़े, जिसको हम लोग रेयरली अपने हाथों से या आँखों से नहीं देख सकते, इतने बड़े से ज़मीन के टुकड़े को हम कॉन्टिनेंट्स के नाम से जानते हैं, राइट? अ लार्ज और अ ह्यूज लैंड मासेस ऑफ अ लैंड ऑन आवर अर्थ सरफेस, हमारी अर्थ के सरफेस के ऊपर बड़े से लैंड के जो टुकड़े हैं उसी को हम कॉन्टिनेंट्स के नाम से जानते हैं. Which are the continents we can see on a surface of our earth? So let me see. There are mainly 7 continents in our earth, that is Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. Have you remember it? All the, if you mark that, the all the continents names start with the A. If you tell that North America and South America is not started with A, but it is, America is already started with A, right? So here we can see the 7 continents name. I will give you a trick for remembering this, all the continents name. If you see that the all 4 continent that is started with A, which are there? Asia, then Africa, then Antarctica and Australia. This 4 started with A. Then we have to learn the North America, South America. So 4 plus 2, it's a 6, and other one is Europe, right? So this is the method you have to learn it easily. Whatever the trick you want to use for remembering the name of this continent, you can, okay? It is very easy to remember it, the 7 name of the continent. These are Asia, Africa, Antarctica and Australia. These are start with A. Then other 2, North America, South America, and the last one, Europe, right? So these are the 7 continents. Is it continent is only the large land masses? No, we have further divided in the small part that we known as a countries. जो बड़े से ज़मीन के टुकड़े होते हैं उसके भी पार्ट किए हुए हैं जिसको हमने कंट्रीज नाम दे दिया है, राइट? सो हमारा जो एशिया नाम का बड़ा सा कॉन्टिनेंट्स है उसके एक पार्ट है जिसको हम इंडिया के नाम से जानते हैं, हमारा कंट्री है, राइट। सो इंडिया कौन सा टुकड़ा है एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट्स का? तो भाई एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट्स के साउथ पार्ट में जो लोकेटेड है छोटा सा जमीन का टुकड़ा, उसी को हम हमारा कंट्री इंडिया के नाम से जानते हैं। सो हैव यू रिमेंबर दैट? हाउ कैन वी नो दिस? कॉन्टिनेंट इज अ लार्ज लैंड मासेस ऑन अर्थ सरफेस। अर्थ की सरफेस के ऊपर आया हुआ बड़ा सा जमीन का टुकड़ा। उस बड़े से जमीन के टुकड़े के अंदर जो छोटे छोटे टुकड़े बना के हमने उसको कंट्रीज नाम दे दिया है, जिसमें से हमारा भी एक कंट्री है जिसका नाम है इंडिया। सो स्टूडेंट, हैव यू क्लियर दैट what is continent? How can we divide it, continent, in the small part as a country? Shall we started with the country? No, country also divided in the states. How can we say that state? Yes, if we see the example of our country, our India has divided in 29 states and 9 union territories, right? सो हमारा इंडिया को भी हमने छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है, जिसको हम स्टेट्स के नाम से जानते हैं, और यही स्टेट्स को भी हमने छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में डिवाइड करके उसको हमने सिटीज विलेजेस के नाम दे दिए हैं, राइट, डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स, राइट। सो दिस इज द वे वी कैन डिवाइडेड ऑल द places of the earth, right? So have you clear about it? What is continent? How can we divide it into country, and how can we country divided into a states, and how can the states divided into a city villages, right? So now let me move forward. How many continents we have? 7 continents. Okay, let's we revise it. How many continents we have? Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, North America, South America, and Europe, right? Have you remember the name of the continents? Now let me move forward and what is, okay, just I want to give the first definitions of continents. What is continent? If we see here, I wrote the definitions of continents: a very large land masses on the earth is called continent. बड़े से जमीन के टुकड़े को जो अर्थ की सरफेस पे आए हैं उसी को हम कॉन्टिनेंट्स के नाम से जानते हैं, राइट। नाउ वी आर गोइंग फॉरवर्ड टू ओशंस. व्हाट आर द ओशंस? ओशंस आर द लार्जेस्ट वाटर बॉडी ऑन अर्थ. ओशंस है वो अर्थ के ऊपर आई हुई बड़ी सी वाटर बॉडी है जिसमें अगर हम लोग ओशंस के अंदर जाएंगे चारों तरफ इन ऑल साइड वी कैन सी द water only, right? So oceans are the largest water bodies on the earth. Average depth of the world's ocean is 12,100 feet. See how depth it has. हमारे जो वर्ल्ड के जो ओशन सारे हैं उसमें से जो डीपेस्ट ओशन है वो बिगेस्ट और डीपेस्ट ओशन है वो पैसिफिक ओशन है, राइट। और उसके सबसे सारे वर्ल्ड की जो जितने भी हमारे पास ओशंस है उनकी सबसे ज़्यादा जो गहराई नापी गई है, डेप्थ वी कैन सी इट इज़ 12,100 feet. It's too deep, right? So now we see how many oceans we have on the surface of earth, right? So mainly we have 5 oceans. Which are that oceans? That is Pacific Oceans, Indian Oceans, Atlantic Oceans, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean, right? So these are the main 5 oceans name that we have to see inside on the surface of our earth. What are the ocean actually? It is also the largest water body, we all know that, and the ocean and sea water is also a salty water. We can't drink it and also we can't use it as for our daily work, right? What are the ocean? In the bottom of the ocean, bottom means उसके नीचे वाले पार्ट में, in the bottom of the ocean is called the ocean floor. जैसे कि हम लोग जब क्लासरूम में या घर पे आप खड़े हो तो आपके नीचे की जो फ्लोर होती है वो हमारी फ्लोर है. सेम वे ओशन ऑल्सो हैव अ फ्लोर, और उसी को हम ओशन फ्लोर के नाम से जानते हैं, राइट? In the ocean floor, when we see inside the oceans, it was very dark. Why it is dark? Because of the sunlight doesn't reach over there. जो सनलाइट्स है जिसके कारण हम लोग सारी चीज़ें देख पाते हैं, वो सनलाइट्स ओशन फ्लोर तक नहीं पहुंच पाती है. दैट इज़ वाई ओशन फ्लोर जो है वो डार्केस्ट दिखता है. हम वी कांट सी द थिंग्स देयर प्रॉपरली. क्या सिर्फ ओशन फ्लोर पे हम लोगों को देखने लायक ऐसा क्या होता है? तो भाई जैसे हमारी लैंड की फ्लोर पे हम देख सकते हैं, इफ़ वी सी ऑन अ लैंड फ्लोर वी कैन सी अ बिग माउंटेन्स, राइट, एंड एनिमल्स, प्लांट्स, वॉल्केनोज, right, all the things we can see on our landform. The same way all the things also be found in a ocean floor, right? You said that how it is happen? Yes, it happened because this is our nature and nature can see everything, right? So here the ocean floor has also, like our land, it has a big mountains, it has a volcanoes inside it, it has a deep trenches also, and plants and animals also we can see in this ocean, right? Now we are going to know about the other water bodies on our earth's surface, that is lake, pond, river, right? So have you ready for that? Let me see. Now as we all know the continents and ocean, now we will start knowing about the sea. What is the difference between the sea and oceans? Oceans are a largest water body, salty water bodies. Then sea also a salty water contain, but it is a smaller than the oceans, right? Here we can see sea are also a large water bodies but are smaller than the oceans. It is important seas are the Red Sea, China Sea, Arabian Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. These are the famous sea we can see on our earth, right? Now we are going to know about the rivers of on our earth. The large water bodies with flowing water is called river. Okay, those water is not a state but it is flowing. Flowing means जो बहता रहता है. ऐसे flowing water वाला जो body water area है, जो water bodies है, उसी को हम rivers के नाम से जानते हैं. And as we all know, our India is the country of rivers, right? Rivers and mountains. So we have so many rivers that are the Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Kaveri, right? These are the all Krishna. These are the all famous river we can see on the floor of our earth, right? So how can these rivers are formed? So we have a largest or highest mountain like in Himalaya are covered with the snow. As we all know that कि high mountains होते हैं, उनकी peak means a top area होता है उसका, वो snow covered होता है, snow से ढका हुआ होता है, right? और हिमालयास का तो meaning भी हमारा वही है, जो snow से covered है, उसी को हम हिम आलय, जिसके ऊपर हिम का आलय है, आवरण है, उसी को हम लोग हिमालय के नाम से जानते हैं. और ऐसा बड़ा सा हाईएस्ट माउंटेन वी हैव. सो द माउंटेन पीक हैव covered with the snow and this snow is melted through this heat of the sun. सन की जो रेज होती है, हॉट किरणें होती है, वो ये स्नो के ऊपर पड़ती है और वो स्नो मेल्ट मीन्स पिघलती है. सो की जो रेज होती है वो इसके ऊपर पड़ने से वो मेल्ट होती है और इनकी मेल्टिंग के कारण जो वाटर्स जो होता है वो फ्लो होके नीचे के एरिया प्लेन्स एरिया में बह के आता है और वही रिवर फॉर्म करता है. नाउ हैव यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज रिवर एंड हाउ कैन इट फॉर्म्ड, राइट। रिवर कैसे बनती है भाई, जो बड़े बड़े माउंटेन्स होते हैं उनकी पिक के ऊपर स्नो जमी रहती है और वही स्नो को सन की रेज के कारण हीट मिलती है और वही हीट के कारण वो स्नो मेल्ट होती है एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस मेल्टिंग ऑफ द स्नो इट फॉर्म अ वाटर एंड इट फ्लोज थ्रू द माउंटेन टू द plain area and we can identify as a rivers. As we all know that our India is a country of rivers and we can see so many rivers in our country, that is Krishna, Satluj, Ganga, Yamuna, Kaveri, right? So many rivers, big and small river we can see in the flowing on our earth's floor, right? So dear students, now have you clear about the rivers also? Let me revise it quickly. We can know about the continents, we can know about the oceans, seas and rivers. Now the last water body we have to know about that, it is a lake and pond. What are the lake, what are the ponds? Let me see. First of all, I am telling you that what is a pond. A pond is a small water body. As we all know that the small ponds is in our cities, right? Same, our Lunawada also have a pond, right? So these are the ponds that are the small water bodies we can see, right? The water of the pond and lake is used for our daily use, right? Now we are going to know about the lake. What are the lake? It is mostly fills with rainwater. As we all know that lake and pond can't be formed from the mountains flowing rivers, right? We can see that it is formed from, it's filled with the rainwater only, right? Whenever the rain will be a fall, the pond and lakes should be filled with the fresh water, right? And we are using that water for our daily use, right? So what are the lake? Lake is a large area of water surrounded by land. जिसके आसपास ज़मीनें और बड़े से एरिया में जो वाटर कलेक्टेड होता है, it should be a natural or sometimes it should be formed by the human being also, right? That is called the pond. But lake mostly we have to see it's formed by nature only, right? So India has a many lake. Some of the famous lake we can see the Chilka Lake, the Walar Lake, the Dal Lake and the Sambar Lake, right? These are the famous lake of our India's, right? So now students, you can understand it properly. What are the continents? Continents are the large land masses of the land, right? And we have a main 7 continents that are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia, right? These are the 7 continents we can see here, and we have also the 5 big water bodies that is called ocean, and these are the Pacific Oceans, Atlantic Oceans, Southern Oceans, Indian Oceans and Arctic Oceans, right? So have you clear about that? We can see the lots of river in our countries, land, pond, these all are water bodies we can see on the surface of our earth. So hope everyone should be understand this lesson properly and it should be help to study well, right? Goodbye, have a nice day.